Algorand value equivalent to $0.2075 a coin. The present exchange cost range $99.65 on 2089. The earlier day close $78. The change was 0.3 and 14%. Reverse rate US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand figure for May 2024. To start with, cost at 45.45 coins. Exorbitant cost 45.45, while low 35.71. The found the middle value of cost 4.127. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3.846, change for May 15 4%. US to Algo expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.846 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.8046, while low 3.125. The found the middle value of cost 3.538. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3.333, change for June 13 3%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 3.33 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.33, while low 2.9841. The found the middle value of cost 3.183. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3.125, change for July 6.2%. US to Algo expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 3.125 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.125, while low 2.703. The found the middle value of cost 2.53. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2.857, change for August 8.6%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for September 2024. To start with, cost at 2.857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.030, while low 2.564. The found the middle value of cost 2.807. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2.778, change for September 2.8%. US to Algo expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at 2.778 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.41, while low 2.500. The found the middle value of cost 2.731. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2.703, change for October 2.7%. Dollar to Algorand figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 2.703 coins. Excessive cost 2.857, while low 2.4039. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.658. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2.632, change for November 2.6%. US to Algo expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 2.632 coins. Excessive cost 2.703, while low 2.326. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.540. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2.500, change for December 5%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 2.500 coins. Excessive cost 2.564, while low 2.222. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.417. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2.381, change for January 4.8%. US to Algo expectation for February 2025. To start with, cost at 2.381 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.500, while low 2.174. The found the middle value of cost 2.345. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2.26, change for February 2.3%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 2.326 coins. Excessive cost 2.439, while low 2.128. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.292. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2.273, change for spring 2.3%. US to Algo expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at 2.273 coins. Excessive cost 2.273, while low 1.818. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.81. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1.961, change for April 13.7%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1.961 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.041, while low 1.754. The found the middle value of cost 1.911. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1.887, change for May 3.8%. US to Algo expectation for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1.887 coins. Exorbitant cost 1.961, while low 1.695. The found the middle value of cost 1.840. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1.818, change for June 3.7%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 118.18 coins. Exorbitant cost 19.23, while low 1667. The found the middle value of cost 1799. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 1786, change for July 18%. US to Algo expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 1786 coins. Exorbitant cost 1786, while low 1429. They found the middle value of cost 1635. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1538, change for August 13.9%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for September 2025. To start with, cost at 1538 coins. Exorbitant cost 1923, while low 1538. They found the middle value of cost 1696. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1786, change for September 16.1%. US to Algo expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 1786 coins. Excessive cost 1786, while low 1563. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1701. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1667, change for October 6.7%. Dollar to Algorand figure for November 2025. To start with, cost at 1667 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1667. They found the middle value of cost 1866. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2000, change for November 20%. US to Algo expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at 2000 coins. Exorbitant cost 2564, while low 2000. They found the middle value of cost 2236. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2581, change for December 19.1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for January 2026. Initially cost at 2381 coins. Excessive cost 3030, while low 2381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2662. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2857, change for January 20%. US to Algo expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 2857 coins. Exorbitant cost 2841, while low 2500. They found the middle value of cost 2750. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2703, change for February 5.4%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 2703 coins. Exorbitant cost 3125, while low 2703. They found the middle value of cost 2868. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 21841, change for spring 88%. US to Algo